looks like you have decided to learn the piano. So you are at the right place. Welcome to Music 360. I am Sudip. So today I am going to explain you how to sit perfectly while playing the piano. So first thing, make sure to sit in a close position from the keys so that you can play comfortably. Okay, and make sure you don't sit too far so that it's hard for you to visualize the keys. So you should always have a close distance from the keys and keep your elbows relaxed while playing the keys. Then make sure to keep your fingers curved like this. So don't stretch your fingers like this while playing it, keep them curved in this position. So now let's look at the keys and try to recognize how to figure out the keys, as it will help you further to find the notes and place your fingers right and practice. Now, as we can see on the piano, there are a set of 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3, 2, 3. These are the pair of keys. Now we have to figure out what are the notes before the two black keys. So we have a C starting before every two keys. So before these two it is a C, then before these two it is a C again, before these two it's a C again, before these two it's a C again. Now from one C to the other C is called an octave, because we have 8 keys. So these are the 8 keys. Now within these octaves we have 5 pair of black keys. Now we will try to look at the hand exercise and how to place your fingers on the keys. Now place your right hand thumb on the middle C of the piano like this, and try to get the other fingers placed on the right key so that you can guide yourself to play the notes right. So my right hand is right now on the middle C, index is on the D, middle is on the E, ring is on F, little is on G, as well as the left hand with finger 5, that is the little finger, is placed on the lower C. Lower C is just one octave lower than the middle C. Now place the little finger on the C, then the ring finger on the D, middle on the E, index on the F, and thumb on the G. Okay, so now I will explain you the exercise. So the exercise is like this. So that was C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Now the same we will try it with the left hand. Let's try that again. So make sure to practice this individually first. Take your time and build your finger coordination and place them, time them right, and try to strike only individual keys. Don't try to press both the keys together at the same time. Try to play them one at a time. So once you get hold of that, you will try coordination between both the hands. So it goes something like this. Let's see it. Let's try that once again. So make sure to practice this exercise and try to coordinate both the hands. We'll catch up in the next lesson. See you. Bye.